Mark and Max. They're a grad and postdoc here at SMU, and they both work for Dr. Anthony Petrosino at the Simmons School. Our project was focused on urban farms and food justice. The main goal of our project was to kind of reframe the USDA's definition of a food desert and apply that to the South Dallas area.
My mentor was Professor of Law, Mary Spector, and we worked with evictions, so we're kind of financially analyzing how evictions impact tenants in Dallas County.
Our mentor this summer was Dr. Colin Clark of the Bush Institute for Public Policy, and we worked on a project called Liminal Cities, where we looked at cities that are smaller in population but still lie within commuting distance, kind of a farther commuting distance of a metro area, and just looked at opportunities for growth there.
So I definitely became a more proficient programmer. We learned a lot about how to use pandas, GeoPandas, ArcGIS, and just learning how to use geographical methods to graph. That was a big thing that I didn't know how to do going into this experience, but I feel a lot more comfortable doing now.
Definitely communication skills improved. We did a lot of presentations, and then on top of that, I learned a lot of technical know-how, especially in Python, that I didn't have before.
So the REU has definitely showed me what's possible. I think coming into this, I didn't know research was really a thing. I didn't think it was for me at least, and I didn't know that getting my PhD was a thing, because there's no one really around me. I guess my sister's doing it, but no one kind of tells you hey, you can do this route, and this is actually possible. And then once I really got here, they showed me yeah, you can definitely do this. This is how you do it, and this is how we'll help you do it.
It has given me a lot of experience, especially on seeing what a day-to-day life is like as a research assistant or a data analyst. It's given me insights into what programs that they use and how they access their data.
Through meetings with my mentor and workshops, I really learned about how to present data science topics to a non-technical audience. Also learned a lot about the research process and how to be ethical and effective in data preparation and cleaning.
I would say my favorite memory this summer was our field trip to the Dallas City Hall. It was really cool to see data applied in the real world, and we got a tour of the whole building, and we got to see different aspects of data science in the real world.
We went to visit the evictions court, which was especially relevant to me and my project, and we got to see kind of the proceedings and what exactly goes on behind the data that we were dealing with. So that was a really important and cool experience to have from this summer.
I think the advice I'd give is be kind of open to doing anything. Don't confine yourself to a box of whether it's you're only going to look at data or you're only going to work with people. Definitely be open to doing a lot and expanding your mind. And then also don't come in with seeing this as a resume biz, I guess. It's be here to actually make an impact and do something for your community. I think that is the biggest thing is to just be open to helping people, and it'll be a lot of fun.
I would say to be really open and to try and interact with the cohort as much as possible. Everyone is going to be in the same boat as you. Everyone's probably going to be just as nervous, but if you open up, really try and interact with everyone, you'll have a really fun time and meet some new friends.
Just be open. You're going to make really great friends, and the data will come along. The relationships that you build with your mentors and with your peers is that's going to be the most fruitful part of the whole situation.